The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty powered higher and is now just a breath away from its record high. Our call of the day suggests Nifty is likely to race towards its immediate goalpost its all-time high 26,277.35 mark. 1. AI rally reignites Wall Street after Nvidia's earnings and guidance smashed expectations. 2. Improving leads from global stock markets. 3. Optimism surrounding a potential US-India trade agreement. 4. India's retail inflation sliding to a record 0.25% in October, well below the RBI's tolerance band, strengthening hopes for a December rate cut. 5. FII turning buyers this week to the tune of 1,578 crore rupees. 6. WTI crude oil futures tumbling towards $59.50 per barrel after reports indicated the US is pushing to end the Russia-Ukraine war. 7. NDA decisive win in Bihar, reinforcing political stability and continuity in reforms. Bottom line, the bulls are not just whispering, they're roaring. The stage looks set for Dalal Street's year-end rally to accelerate. Expect Nifty to reclaim 26,277.35, with the next psychological milestone at 27,000 firmly in sight. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 284 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 825 crores. Bullish Nifty sentiment is likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive upside breakout. FNO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 27,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 12.14 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.72 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.51 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 1.23. Nifty outlook, up again for benchmark Nifty as bullish sentiment gears up for a joyful surge. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,192. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 26,051 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,100 and 26,400. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85,633. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 85,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,300 and 86,300. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,348. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,100 and 60,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. If Nifty reaches its all-time high of 26,277.35, it will mark the end of a 14-month pause. At the moment, we remain quite bullish on Nifty, and this upward momentum could soon become the new normal on Dalal Street. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Tilaknagar Industries, TI, plus 3.48%, rose after entering the premium whiskey segment with the launch of 7 Islands Pure Malt Whiskey. 2. Transrail Lighting, plus 2.66%, gained on new orders worth 548 crore rupees, including a major international transmission line EPC project in the MENA region. 3. EPAC Prefab Technologies, plus 4.92%, jumped after signing and more with Mascot South Asia LLP to support its planned capacity expansion in Gujarat, boosting production capabilities and technology adoption. 4. Mahindra Holidays and Resorts India, plus 2.91%, climbed as its board approved entry into the leisure hospitality segment to be operated via its subsidiary Mahindra Hotels and Residences India under the brand Mahindra Signature Resorts. 5. Gujarat Industries Power Company GIPCL, plus 3.02%, advanced following the commissioning of the fourth phase of its 600 MW solar project at the 2,375 MW renewable energy park in Khavda, Great Rann of Kutch. 6. NBCC, plus 2.61%, advanced on two key developments. 1. The company secured a 2,966.1 crore rupees work order from the Nagpur Metropolitan Region Development Authority. 2. NBCC sold 609 residential units at Aspire Leisure Valley and Aspire Centurion Park, Noida, W, via e-auction, generating a total value of approximately 1,069.43 crore rupees.